Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word interlibrary. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I requested an interlibrary loan for a book that my local library did not have in its collection. Interlibrary refers to the exchange or sharing of resources and materials between different libraries for the benefit of patrons who need access to specific information or items. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.